Hi everybody, Dr. Tim Uselton here with Trinity Chiropractic Center. I'm the owner, located here in Carrollton, Texas since 1999. And I oftentimes get a lot of questions, and the most common ones that I get asked of me, I'm going to try and answer here today in this short video. The first one is, does chiropractic care hurt? If I start to go to the chiropractor, am I going to feel a lot of pain? And the answer to that, as most of my patients would attest to, is an overwhelming no. That is the answer, in that we have state-of-the-art equipment that we use. If you don't want to have things actually cracked or popped or adjusted in a manual way in your spine, then when there are some alternatives to that that are completely pain-free. Another thing that you can look at is the amount of malpractice insurance that we have and how much we pay for that insurance. Of all the doctors across the country, chiropractors have the lowest premiums when it comes to the malpractice insurance. So that ensures you that the risk is not great compared to MDs or orthopedic surgeons or even dentists who are going to work on your teeth. So hopefully that'll answer that question. The next question I get oftentimes is, does it cost a lot to go to the chiropractor, or is it going to be covered by my insurance? And I'm here to say that we do participate in the insurance companies. All of the major medical insurance companies we are a contracted provider with. So if you have insurance coverage that covers chiropractic, then we would be covered. Now, there would also be subject to pay your deductible and co-pays and co-insurance and that sort of thing. But it is very cost effective in the long run. And you know, if you don't have insurance and it's just coming out of your pocket, then we work with everyone. As long as you're willing to work with us in some sort of plan, then we'll put together a financial plan that you could actually handle, I would believe. Another question that we get is, and this is a funny one, but once you go to the chiropractor, you know, people say, I've heard you always got to go back for the rest of your life. And my answer to that would be, you know, once you go to an MD, do you never have to go again? Of course you go again. You go when you have a problem, or you go for a wellness checkup. If you go to the dentist once, do you have to go back? Well, you don't have to. You can wait till your teeth get rotten and fall out. Or you can go on a routine, regular, every 6 months type of cleaning. So the answer to the chiropractic question of do you have to come back is, well, there's different types of care. We offer relief care, which is designed to get you out of pain. Then we offer corrective care, which is designed to actually correct the problem so the pain doesn't come back. And then we offer a third type of care that's called wellness or maintenance care. And everyone understands that you got to maintain your car by changing the oil and checking the pressure in the tires and looking at the windshield wiper blades and all those maintenance type issues. But the same is true with your spine. If your spine has a little tiny misalignment that could be corrected on a maintenance visit, then you could actually avoid a lot of problems in the future by not having any major overhauls or work to be done. Just like the oil change in the car might save the engine from blowing out. And then one last question that I'll leave you with is kind of what sets our clinic apart from other clinics in the area. We're here in Carrollton, like I said, and there's probably a dozen or so chiropractors that you would pass on your way to my clinic. That's because chiropractic is growing. But what sets us apart from other chiropractors, I believe, is not only our integrity and how we're going to treat people, you know, like we want to be treated. We got a very friendly staff, but we have some of the best massage therapists that you can find. And so we incorporate a lot of massage therapy into our chiropractic work, and it's kind of a whole body approach. It's not just adjusting one area and say it's going to fix everything. We actually address all the different areas that a person may be having. We also have weight loss programs for those that need to shed a few pounds and help, you know, obviously with their back feeling better if they lost some weight. We also have some detoxification plans where you can actually come in and do a cleanse and free the body of toxins, and that helps a lot. So it's kind of a wellness approach, and we treat everyone from very, very early in life, like an infant, all the way up to the very, very latter stages to the geriatric patient. Well, I hope that answered some of your questions that you have about our office. If you would like to stay connected with us, you can like us on Facebook, you can follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. You can also get information from our website at trinitychiropracticcenter.com.